Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme C33 to an Android device. First of all, open Play Store on both and install completely free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, select I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Following that, you can choose Not Now in this pop-up and close it by choosing OK. Then do exactly the same on your Android. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. OK. Finally, choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Realme and Receive over here on an Android smartphone. Finally, you can tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories and hit Send over here. This way you will select all of them and then send them. It will take some time though, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send and click on Got it. Now on an Android, just tap on the best option for you. Select Close this window and as you can see, we have two ways to connect. If you want to, you can scan this QR code by selecting scanning icon over here, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing this device's camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and tap on Receive button instead. Either way, after a couple of seconds. As you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!